Today I am making lobster noodles. Take the noodles and the packet of lobster balls. Put the pan on with some water. Let it boil for the noodles. Take the lobster balls, add hot water, and then put them in the microwave. The noodles are in the water in the microwave, and when they've defrosted they'll be ready to add to the other ingredients. Got the noodles in the pan on the hot water. I'm going to boil them like 3 minutes and then drain, ready for serving. Simmering away nicely, nearly done. Lobster balls done, noodles done. I'm going to mix them together. I'm adding a glug or two of chilli sauce. Well, very hot chilli sauce. There we go. Lobster noodles with chilli sauce. Done.